Hi everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today in this video, I will show you how to read the common data such as browser and URL from properties file in Selenium. This technique for managing configuration setting in your test automation projects, making your test more flexible and easy to maintain. So let's begin. Create new package. Right click on SRC new and then click on package. Enter the package name, property file. In this package, we will add the property file. Right click on property file new and click on file. Enter the file name data.properties. In data.properties file, we enter the browser name and the URL. Browser is equal to Chrome and we will enter the URL here. Copy this URL. This is login page script in which we will navigate to this URL and enter the username and password and then click on submit button. Copy this URL and paste in data.properties file. Add an other package for base class in which we define the browser and add some condition. Click on package. Click on SRC and add package inside this folder. Package configuration. This is package name and then click on finish. Inside this configuration package, you will create new class and the class name is base and then click on finish. Now we will declare a WebDriver object as static to be accessible across methods inside this class. Public static WebDriver driver. After declaring a WebDriver object, we will declare a properties object to store configuration. Import WebDriver, public static properties, and variable name is equal to pr is equal to new properties and round brackets. Here we declare properties to store configuration. Import properties. Now add the before test in which we define the driver property file and driver configuration here. The read before test. Add method public void setup and round brackets. We need to import the before test. Import before test. Now we will check if the driver is null, then we will load the property file. If driver equal null, Then we will load the property file. File reader and enter the variable name fl is equal to new file reader. Import file reader. Inside the round brackets, we will give the data.properties file path. Right click on data.properties and copy the complete path. Copy this complete path and paste inside this round brackets. Here you need to add the throws declaration. Now we will load the properties file. Variable name is pr dot load file and the path of this file, enter variable name inside this round brackets. pr dot load. Click on add throws declaration. We define path here because we will read the data from this properties file. Now we will launch different browsers based on property file. In property file, we define the browser is equal to Chrome. Let's add some condition here. If pr dot get property, if the value equal dot get property is equal to browser dot equal ignore case, here we enter the browser name. In property file, we define the browser name is equal to Chrome. Chrome. Then we will initialize the Chrome driver inside if condition. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. Import Chrome driver. For URL, we will use driver dot get string. Inside the string, we will get the property value pr dot get property, and value is in data properties file URL. Inside with double quote, we need to enter the URL with double quote. Let's add else if condition for Firefox, and we will initialize the driver inside else if condition. Else if pr dot get property browser dot equal ignore case, and enter the browser name Firefox. Remove this round bracket. Inside else if condition, we will initialize the Firefox browser driver is equal to new Firefox driver. Import Firefox driver and same here in else if condition, we will enter driver dot get string pr dot get property and URL. We can also add edge browser here, else if er dot get property in double quote enter browser dot equal ignore case and enter edge. Then we will initialize the edge driver here. Driver is equal to new edge driver, import edge driver and add URL driver dot get string pr dot get property. We will get the value from data dot properties file URL value we already defined in data dot properties file. This is for Chrome browser, and second, inside the else if condition we initialize the Firefox, and then we define else if condition and initialize the edge driver. After running this test, we will close the browser. So add after test public void close import after test driver dot close. In base file, we enter the file name in which we need to read the data, and then we add some condition here, if else if condition for browser, initialize the browser and URL. Now we need to import this class into this file. Remove this. We do not need to define initialize browser here. Remove this line, and same we also do not need to define the URL here because we read the data from data.properties file. Extends and enter the class name. Class name is base. Click on import. Package name is configuration and class name base. Import this class. In data.properties file, we enter the browser value is equal to Chrome. It means that our test will be run on Chrome driver. Right click on this file and run as test.ng test. Chrome driver is opening. First, it will navigate to this URL, enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. Navigate to this URL, enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. Now we will run this test in Firefox. Change the value browser is equal to Firefox. In base file, we enter the value of Firefox. Right click on this class and run as test.ng test. Now this test will be run on Firefox browser because we define the browser value is equal to Firefox. Chrome driver is opening, enter username, password, and then click on submit button. Same for Edge. If you want to run this test on Edge, just change the value here. Browser value is equal to Edge. Edge value Edge. And this test will be run on Edge. Here you can view we define the before test. It means this method will be execute first before this test, and same here in base class we define after test. This method will be execute after the completion of this test. If you like this content, please subscribe to SPO World. Thanks for watching.